मौसम से जुड़ी जानकारी और लाइव मौसम खबरों के लिए हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकॉन दबाकर हर अपडेट पर रखें नजर।
Welcome to SkyMed Weather. I am Mahesh Palawat. This is weather update and forecast. First weather features. Western disturbance is still persisting over western Himalayas and induced cyclonic circulation over Rajasthan, and trough is extending from Punjab to northeast Arabian Sea across Haryana, Rajasthan and Gujarat. In central India, an anticyclone is seen over Chhattisgarh and adjoining area, and humid winds from Arabian Sea as well as from Bay of Bengal are feeding moisture over central and northwest parts of the country. During last 24 hours, we have seen intense weather activities continuing over many parts of western Himalayas, particularly Jammu Kashmir, Gilgit-Baltistan, Muzaffarabad, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Fairly widespread rain and snow activities have been witnessed over these areas. Moderate showers with 1 or 2 intense spells occurred over Punjab, Haryana, Delhi witnessed good rain and thunder shower activities. Isolated pockets of these areas also witnessed hailstorm activities. Rain activities continued over many parts of western districts of Uttar Pradesh, East Rajasthan and isolated pockets of Madhya Pradesh. Now these rain activities will continue for another 24 hours until January 5th, and snowfall activities will also continue over western Himalayas until tomorrow, January 5th. By January 6th, rain activities will start subsiding over most parts of northwest India. However, isolated pockets of western Himalayas may continue with light rain and snowfall activities. By January 6th, the northerly winds, icy cold northerly winds will start blowing across Rajasthan and parts of Gujarat, and by 6th or 7th, or 7th or 8th, the icy cold winds will also start penetrating across northwest India as well as parts of central India, leading to dip in minimum temperatures and commencement of cold wave conditions once again. By 7th or 8th of January, fog, dense to very dense fog is expected over northern plains once again, leading to nil visibility at many parts, and there may be traffic hazards, rail, road and air traffic can be disrupted. Coming to central parts of the country, due to this anticyclone, we do not expect any weather activity over Chhattisgarh, eastern parts of MP and Maharashtra. Weather will remain dry. The minimum temperature, particularly of northern plains, will continue to be above normal for another 24 hours. Thereafter, the temperature will start decreasing, but temperatures of central India will start decreasing by 7th or 8th of January. Coming to east and northeast India, there is no significant weather system. You can see there is nothing there, and therefore we expect that few clouds may appear over eastern parts of UP. However, weather of Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal and northeast India will continue to remain dry. Coming to South India, rain thunder shower activities have subsided a bit over parts of Tamil Nadu, but by tomorrow, 5th and 6th, again rain intensity will increase, and Chennai may also receive moderate showers with 1 or 2 intense spells, leading to local waterlogging and some traffic jam. And coastal areas, particularly Puducherry, Karaikal, Nagapattinam, Tanjavur, all these areas may also get moderate showers with 1 or 2 heavy spells. Interior parts of Tamil Nadu may get light to moderate rains only. South India Karnataka, including Bengaluru, will also get light rain. Kerala may also get scattered rain and thunder shower activities, and by 7th of January there may be some increase in rain activities over coastal parts of Karnataka. Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep area will get light rain activities only, and the rain activities are expected like this over western Himalayas. Intense weather activity for another 24 hours. Northern plains will also get intense weather activity. Lightning strike, thunderstorm, hailstorm is possible over these areas. And in South Peninsula, you can see most parts of Tamil Nadu, particularly intensity is more over coastal areas. Interior parts are scattered light rain with 1 or 2 moderate spells. Isolated to scattered rainfall activities over Kerala, South India Karnataka and south coast of Andhra Pradesh. And by 7th, rain activities may start increasing over coastal parts of Karnataka as well as isolated pockets of South Konkan and Goa. That's all for now. Keep watching SkyMed Weather for more weather updates.
प्रदूषण की रियल टाइम इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए आज ही स्काईमेट AQI ऐप डाउनलोड करें और अपनों की सेहत का रखें ख्याल।